In today's video, I'm going to show you 1, 2, 3 YouTube tips I think you will love, including how to translate any YouTube video. But first, one of the YouTube features I use a lot is the ability to fast forward. You can do this one on your phone or computer by doing a long press on the screen. This will fast forward the video at 2 times the speed until you let go. Another way is to double tap on the screen to skip forward 10 seconds of the video. If you double tap on the left side, it will go back 10 seconds. For presenters who speak too fast, you can slow them down by going to the gear cog and selecting a slower speed. You can also speed them up from here too. You can translate any YouTube video. First click this icon for the captions. These ones are in English. Then go to the settings cog to choose the language by going to subtitles and auto translate. Then you just select the language. I'm going for Spanish. The captions are now in Spanish, or whichever language you choose. Which of these tips did you already know? Let me know in the comments below.